Hello to all my members of the Soul Sister Ann channel. I'm helping a friend out with an antique turntable, tube style.
Hello. What happened?
And as you can see, here's the tubes. We just moved this from her mother's house. And here's the part of this, the front part of the unit. I guess you call the chassis of it. Here is the turntable right here. It's got that velvet stuff on it. It needs some WD-40 down here, as you can see, really bad. To clean it up here. It probably needs all new tubes.
Oh yeah.
And even a new turntable. We just take this turntable out and get a new turntable for in here. And over here is where it's hooked up to the speaker. You know, and it's made of wood. And just to show you that I am who I am, hello, Merry Christmas. Yes, I'm down here and
Pretty sure.
doing this job here. Now it's being super glued. Leg fell off.
Mm-hmm.
It was some kind of wood glue kind of stuff, actually. More than just regular crazy glue or something like that. It's
Oh, I'm sure of it too.
yeah. So here's the top of it. As you know, I don't have my
So are you on your way home?
let's turn it this way so you can see better what's in there. Don't have a flashlight. There's not a lot of light in here.
Uh-huh.
But there's a speaker part. And she's putting some more glue on there because the other leg is falling off there. So this will have to be laying on the floor for a while to let that dry.
Yeah, exactly.
So we'll twirl around. Here's the front of it. Just think of it. My cord will only go so far. Let me see how far to go. Okay, let's look at it from this angle.
Oh, I understand. I mean, that's
See?
just...
This is like where this is where
Yeah, it makes
you would see the radio at, right here. It's all busted up because I need a new window there.
Mm-hmm.
And right here is where you would pull the drawer out, and then the record player, and this is the speaker right here.
Yeah.
So it needs a lot of work done on it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
She had a flashlight, so, but the only thing I could tell you
And
about
then what you're going to do, I'm going to laugh hysterically.
well, the only thing I can tell you about this is that that it can be fixed by putting you can put just about any kind of turntable
So, who's
in
going to
there
do your cases while you're gone?
that fits that. You know.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure that needs a new speaker as well.
Nah, we'll get them done.
But
I doubt there'll be that many.
there's the see.
I hope there's not going to be that many of them.
Here's
anymore.
the hand of it.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
And then the wheel. And this is just a
Well,
chassis. Pick it up.
well, yeah, because she's the one who came up and made that statement to you. So, yeah. You're absolutely right about that. She did say something to somebody about it. Mm-hmm.
So hopefully this will be renovated. Here's another, and over here on the side is a little record player. It's just little speakers over there, and cassettes. I've played that for you, but I've taken that record player. It's sitting there because of Well, it's just not in use, I guess. I'm not really sure why it's sitting there. It's just sitting out here in the living room. But I did want to pick this up. Show you the thing.
Yeah.
See, this is the dial. See here.
Absolutely. That's crazy.
And what we have here is the chassis. See all that dirt on
Yeah, they
there?
don't pay any attention to us.
All
That's
that.
what we're doing. Absolutely not.
And the chassis goes up here on this board, of course. Put this back in here.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Just like that.
And that.
Then this here piece here goes back here. And you put the wire in. And that's the way it's supposed to be sitting up in there. But with moving and everything,
Yeah.
it got kind of... I actually picked it up all by myself. I needed the little bitty woman that was with me to... I had to get her out the way. She was getting in the way. I had to just push her out the way.
Well, that's the way it goes around there. That's always the way it's been.
I was better off picking this baby up by myself. She was barking out rules to me and everything. I said, shoot, I just picked this baby up by myself while she over here barking.
Yep. Well, yeah, because when I talked to New about that case, then he went and talked to Miss Lomax. Yeah, so that's when all that happened.
Okay, I'll see you guys later.